I wonder who should I ask?
But
Ask her, just ask her.
or ask for
It's very simple.
God,
That is
this is so lovely, so calm. Oh, she's beautiful, man. She's so sweet and shining like the star. Star in the heaven, not in the sky. She said it's shining like star in the heaven.
Music is the most weapon which you can use to change the world. So guys, we are back again.
To Khasi song. Meghalaya, Shillong people, guys.
Sikkim, Assam.
Kim Assam is a ram.
Yeah man,
From Africa.
I greet you all.
Peace out from Africa, guys. So today we are taking Jingieid, Ka.saa.
Jingieid, Ka.saa.
Ka.saa.
What does it mean? Hit your
Tell
comment.
us what does it mean.
Drop your
But
comment.
Jingieid, I think it is something like
Yeah,
Eid is love.
Okay.
Eid is
Yeah.
love.
Okay.
I think something like love.
Love language.
Yeah, tell us what does it mean.
Yeah,
Food.
hit your
Jingieid Ksiar.
Ka.saa.
We have Ka.saa, yeah. Johnwelson and Bilbiush. So first time reacting to them, we have Garo Love Song. Khasi Garo. So this is from a tribe of Garo because there is Garo tribe there. But they are all Khasi.
Khasi. All of them are extended. Like how many tribes?
There is like 4 to 5. But this
Okay.
one, they are Garo people.
Okay.
Okay? So we are going to check it out. Kindly subscribe, guys, and show some love. We love you all, whether you're Garo or as long as you're from Meghalaya. Love you all, guys.
Like from northeast. We
Love you all from India, Northeast.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's jump right in.
3 in 1.
Yeah
Let's
man.
go.
Love.
Jingieid.
Let's go.
I love the intro. Yeah. These people, they love also. Oh, subtitle. Yeah. It's like a dream scene. You. Sim Now this Sim Jonga is my album. I have no idea what it's doing.
I wonder who should I ask?
But
Ask her, just ask her.
or ask for
It's very simple.
God,
That is
this is so lovely, so calm. Oh, she's beautiful, man. She's so sweet and shining like the star. Star in the heaven, not in the sky. She said it's shining like star in the heaven. This guy is so heavenly.
This is so beautiful.
I thought he's going to say it's star in the sky because it's normal.
Yeah, man.
But this guy is too much.
Not too much. He crossed the line.
This guy is crossed the limit, man. That's too much love. Yeah.
Yeah.
We have kids here.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Still young. What time?
Senior one.
I only love you.
Begani kujenga maji
Has
skills.
too extra.
Your beat will want me this year. I just want to see it. I'm telling you, but this game is good always. I just love you. Let's not say goodbye. Don't you know that I love you? That's the close. It's impossible to get someone as beautiful as you are in this life. Nowadays, it's rare to find someone who
Don't
don't
find any girl. You will find it.
You will find the wrong like that. You will find beautiful than her, but about
You
the
know,
soul.
wait. I just love one thing. There is 2 guys singing here. The guy who is holding guitar
And that's our
and the other guy. I found there is 2 different. The guy The one holding guitar, I love his expression. Like he looked really so professional and so confident when it comes to singing.
Showing the talent.
Yeah, I don't know what is his name, guys. The one holding guitar.
Yeah, man.
Because we have two guys, Johnwelson. I'm sure it's Johnwelson.
If I may ask you, which one is the love in love with this lady? The one who tried to
No, it is a love song where both are expressing.
to the same girl,
Not to the same girl. That guy was expressing alone. You saw he was standing alone.
but he's talking to her.
This guy only holding guitar is the one talking to the girl. She's
Okay.
he expressing to this girl
Okay.
because there is one girl, but other guy is also part of the song, but
Okay.
not to the same girl.
Not approach the girl.
That guy, I mean, is so I don't see that confidence in
Confidence.
him.
Yeah, it's little
The
hesitation.
guy wearing white
Yeah.
is little like the expression is also little down, guys.
Yeah.
But his word is nice.
Yeah.
His word is nice. Let's start. This guy holding guitar is very this guy, the one on white guy. He looks so shy.
Yeah.
His face expression.
The thing is, some people are shy from the camera, but you have the time to sound.
That's his the loud is like a band.
You are shining like the stars. Hey! This guy is too much. But she's in love with the guy who's holding the guitar.
Yeah.
In love with him.
Yes. Laugh in the hair. Wow, they made it so nice. Amazing. Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank you. This is so nice. This is so lovely, guys.
Yeah, man.
And I just love it. Like it's so calm listening it to those guys.
Mm.
Even the music, the way they recorded everything is
So
too calm.
Yeah.
Yes, too calm.
And the thing I like
With the
about
flow.
this thing, they like in the natural place.
Yeah,
The forest, the river Nile, the plate. And the guy he was holding the guitar. Like he's very professional. You can
Yeah,
see
that
that
guy.
from his face
That-
only.
it's
It's
a
so
good-
confidence.
You have bright future, bro. You have very bright future. The
Just
song
keep
is
it
so
up.
lovely, and this song is can make any girl fall for you. Also, just know that.
And she's not
And
she's
Sim
not
Jong,
alone.
yeah.
You
My
can find
heart is
someone.
falling already. Yeah, that is it. Thank you so much, guys. Love from Africa. Make sure to subscribe, guys.
Please.
Stay tuned with us because we love you.
Yeah, man.
Shibon.